Nama saya Rizky Ara Rasyad. Hari ini saya akan mengerjakan tugas yang sudah diberikan oleh Pak Mufidi dengan berjudul teks narasi, yaitu teks narasi saya itu yang berjudul My Journey with the World of Sport. My name is Rizky Ara Rasyad and I was born on April 11, 2007. When I look back on my childhood, one of earliest memories that shaped who I am today began in the third grade. At the times, sport were not something I talked much about. I simply enjoyed spending time outdoors with my friends. My father often invited me to play badminton with him in the afternoons. Those friendly matches became a small routine that slowly opened the door for me to explore the world of sport. What started as a fun activity soon became something that taught me discipline, teamwork, and determination. Even if I did not fully realize it then. Things changed when I entered fourth grade. That's, that was the year I discovered futsal. At first, I only watched the older kids play during breaks, impressed by how fast the game moved and how skillfully they controlled the ball. Over time, my curiosity grew into real interest. I began learning basic technique, understanding the rules, and practicing more seriously. Eventually, I joined a small school tournament. Even though the competition was simple, the experience made me realize that futsal was more than just a game to me. It was something I genuinely enjoyed and wanted to pursue. When I moved on to junior high school, I continued to sharpen my skill. I practiced regularly and tried to learn from every match I played. Unfortunately, unfortunately, if everything shifted when the COVID-19 pandemic hit. Training was suddenly impossible, and I had to stay home for months. My physical condition dropped, and mentally I felt unmotivated. It was a difficult period, and for a while I wondered whether my passion for futsal would fade completely. But things changed again when I entered senior high school. I joined the futsal extracurricular club and decided to return to the sport that had shaped so much of my childhood. Slowly, I regained my rhythm. I trained consistently, joined various events, and had the chance to compete again. Some some tournaments went well, and I was grateful to bring home several trophies with my team. Those achievements remind me why I love futsal in the first place. The energy, the teamwork, and the feeling of giving my best on the court. As graduates approached, however, I faced a difficult decision. I had to choose between continuing my education or starting to work. It was a moment that made me reflect on what I truly wanted. My guidance counselor encouraged me to pursue college, and after thinking careful, I realized that my abilities and passion had always been tied to sport. That understanding helped me decide to continue my studies in a sport-related major. I took the UTBK as hoping to enter Universitas Diponegoro, but I did not pass. It was disappointing, but I knew that giving up was not an option. I, de- deci- I decided to try again by applying through the independent selection at Universitas Negeri Jakarta, choosing a sport program, and believed that WNJ could be the place where I grow further, not only as a student but also as someone who has loved sports since childhood. This journey from playing badminton with my father to discovering futsal, facing setback, and choosing my path has taught me that every challenge carries its own lesson. And now, as I begin this new chapter, I am ready to continue improving myself in the field that has shaped me for so many years. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.